Okay, welcome to a Zippo unboxing. This one is obviously a Marine Corps one. This one is pretty cool. This is satin chrome. This is only my second satin chrome. Hilo, Marine, the few, the proud. This is J20. So let's do what I do here, that I do with every Zippo in my collection. Remove the sticker, place it in the box, put that back in. Do I need to clean anything up? There's yep, finger work this time. And then, of course, we want to take the flint out, because that's not going to be good in a few years down the road when the flint mashes up and blocks the wheel from turning. Then it'll have to be drilled out. So I got in collecting Zippos only about 2.5 months ago. I bought a Marine one, obviously USMC, because I was a Marine. And I just decided I wanted them all. So if I can get my pen to work, I'm just gonna write satin chrome helicopter and Marines, the few, the proud. This way either I can find the original box or somebody else can after I'm long gone. And the most important part, the easiest part in helping you find it, is the date code J20. Take that off. Throw that in the box with the flint. And then save the box. Put them in a shoebox with my all my other boxes. And now to get this to my display case. And this should be pretty easy here, as I only have one other satin chrome, as I said. So I'll just slide this one over and get them all lined up. There we go.